Do you know, you can read text without seen by sender? Today I'm going to show you how you can read text without seen, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification for more videos. Okay, let's go to our screen to see how you can read text without seen. I have two Instagram account right now, so let me send text from one account to second account. Let's type our text and send to FadNation Instagram account. Okay, let's go to log into FadNation Instagram account and to receive these text, then we are going to read without seen. As you see, we receive new text. So step 1, you have to swipe up or swipe down for iPhone and Android respectively, then turn off your data and turn on your flight mode. Then open and read a text. Then after read a text, log out your account. Then turn off a flight mode, and turn on your mobile data. By doing so, you will not seen by sender that you have read his or her text. So let's prove it. As you see, still it show that we have new text. Also, let's go to log into sender account to see how it shows. As you see the result, no scene. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash the like button, leave comment and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification for more tricks videos.